Competences. What do we mean by competencies? It all started in 1973 with the work of Harvard psychologist David McClelland. In his article, David was arguing that we need to stop believing that IQ is the best predictor for performance at work. He was pleading that we need to shift focus instead of measuring IQ to looking at competencies. What competencies do people need to be effective in their role, on their job, in their life? This has been taken up and improved and fine-tuned by Professor Richard Boyatzis, one of the students of David McClelland. And in his groundbreaking book, The Competent Manager, Richard brought the whole notion of competencies, competence development and competence assessment in the field of management, leadership and organizational development. This similar process happened at a wider scale in international organizations like OECD, later with the European Union, also UNICEF. And of course, it sparkled many national processes looking at education and learning as fields for competence development. So today we speak about key competencies, we speak about transferable skills, we speak about transformational competencies that are needed to live in 21st century. So when we speak about competencies today, we usually think about packages of knowledge, skills and attitudes that the person needs in order to be effective in a particular role. And this role can be a professional role, but can also be a life-related role. So we speak about professional competencies, we speak also about life competencies. What is common to all of them is that actually all these competencies are visible in behavior. And there is also belief that they can be transferred from one context to another, from one organization to another, from one field to another. So the notion of transferability of competencies is somehow inherent into their existence.